Well, sadly, Avery Long's second race in the pros did not go nearly as good as his first, with the well, pretty bad crash. If you didn't see it, there's a replay coming up right now. It just sucks to see. I mean, obviously, a rookie kid, getting a hit like that, never good, red flag. And then this is from Kellen Brower, saying, "quote Avery Long loaded onto the backboard with a soft brace on his neck. Tough night for AEO KTM. Hopefully, knock on wood, it doesn't look anywhere near, or hopefully, it's not anywhere near as bad as it looks. Uh, we'll see when they put out an injury report sometime soon, hopefully. But again, hopefully this isn't as bad as it looks. Maybe just knocked the wind out of himself. Maybe just knocked out, concussion, something like that. Not the thing that's good, but hopefully nothing's broken. There's no major injuries, and you can continue to race for the season. But I don't know. You guys tell me. You know, good luck in the comments below for him. Whatever it is. What do you think of San Diego? What do you think of A1? Who do you think is going to win the titles? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.